This video takes you on a calm, satisfying journey as we restore a Bugatti Vision Gran Turismo from complete disrepair back to a factory-fresh masterpiece. When we first found this car, it was covered in dust, rust, and damage, looking like it had been forgotten for years. Step by step, you'll see every detail come back to life, from the gentle cleaning of the exterior to the careful removal of rust, the slow rebuilding of the engine, and the interior restored with patience and precision. There's no talking and no music, just pure ASMR, sounds of tools, water, metal, and craftsmanship, so you can truly relax and enjoy the process. By the end, the transformation is incredible, revealing a stunning supercar that looks and feels brand new again. This is not just a restoration, it's a peaceful and satisfying experience for anyone who loves cars, detail, and the beauty of bringing something broken back to life.